Hey everybody, how you doing today? This is Danny K from Kovacs Technology Group. We're an IT consulting company that help you find the right solution for yourself. Are you tired of having slow business internet at home? Are you tired of having that slow business internet at your workstation where automatically you're there all day past 5:30 because something's loading forever? Or you missed your Zoom call or your Teams call because guess what? It didn't load? I have a solution for you. Call us. We'll find a solution for you. I'm tired of it too. I threw it out the window, but I'm here for you because I want to make sure that you're getting the best bang for your buck, the fastest internet possible. You know what? I'm tired of you being really slow. I want you to be fast. Today, we're 2021. We need to be fast. If you want to be fast and you want fast Wi-Fi, fast data, fast everything, and you want an internet connection that actually works, that you should have instead of 1800, call us at Kovacs Technology Group, 1-800-797-3132.